It's been a tough start to the selling season in the U.S. It is Thursday, May 22nd, and this is Markets with Megan. If you'd like this podcast, please subscribe, hit that alarm bell, share it with friends, family, or colleagues. But we're here today to talk about what we received this morning from an economic data standpoint. It's on the housing market. April tends to be a pretty big selling market for the housing market. And what we saw was existing home sales fell for the fourth time out of the past 5 months. If you look at just the month of April, this has been the worst April that we've seen for home sales since 2009, and that was in the depths of the Great Recession. The weakness was led in the Northeast and the West. When you look at the median price, though, this is where we get a little bit positive out of this report. The median price on an existing home is only growing about 1.8% on a year-over-year basis. That's good news because it's much lower than we've seen in previous months. So if we see a slowdown in the prices of homes and we still see demand high, then we can see some equilibrium there. And what we're seeing is the month's supply of home sales, that's now the highest since we've seen since May of 2020. So we might be getting some thawing in the housing market. There's a lot more data from housing to come in the next week. We'll be back with plenty more of this information, as well as a lot of information next week when it comes to consumer confidence, GDP. But if you guys like this podcast and want to see a further history of it, please go to marketswithmegan.fm. Thank you.